Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to Motorola Defy. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, just open it. From this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on the other device. Following that, choose Receive on Motorola and Send on OPPO. Then select all of those type of dots and tap on Send over here. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo, just send and click on Got it. Over here on Motorola, just no thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting the scanning icon on Motorola, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and then tap on Receive button. Now after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!